Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Reuben!
From Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. I was going to call you Munchkin then, but I got you the wrong one. It's an Oompa Loompa.
That's the one. You're ready to come into a world of your imagination, Michael?
That's the one. I love these. This was, here you go, a bit of history that not even probably my family knows. My first theatrical performance was in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
There you go. Dare we ask as what?
Sorry, mate?
I said, dare we ask as what?
Willy Wonka.
Hey! Alright.
So,
That's a fairly major role in the movie, I'd say.
yeah, but I don't even know how to get into this box.
Impenetrable. Just keep chopping and we'll see if we can get in one way or the other.
When in doubt, just start tearing.
That's it. It's coming up to Christmas. Think of it just like practice. Your family will give you gifts, and they'll look over 2 seconds later. They'll be unboxed. There'll be a video done about it. And
see, that's a painful part of my family tradition, is that it's one present at a time, and the whole family has to watch. And
well, they won't have to watch you for long because you'll be a pro.
When you got 5 kids, I can tell you it can take a long time to get through all the presents.
Christmas starts at 6 a.m. and finishes, if you're lucky, by the end of the day.
So, well, we're almost there. There you go.
Hey, lid popped. Ooh, all right. It's got like screws or whatever in the side of it.
Very flash. All right, let's have a look in here. So, for those that haven't read the title, these are a limited release. Love these. Produced by Pamp.
Yeah, we've had some numismatic, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory releases. The Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. I think these are the originals. So it's Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory.
You ready for it?
Am I?
Ta-da! It's a cardboard packet.
Hey!
See, there's nothing in there.
I'm hoping we haven't been completely jibbed.
No, we haven't. They're buried down the bottom here. It's just the way they present
they
it.
come separate. So we've got. Do you want to show the packet off first?
Oh, we probably should.
Got Gene Wilder on the outside.
Yeah, so it's the original Willy Wonka.
Yep.
So you can see the packaging there. They've actually done the packaging really well. 5 gram pure gold, golden ticket.
Yep. And over the page. Very nice, showing that it's properly licensed and done by Pamp.
Yeah. So the packaging looks great. Let's see what the inside looks like.
See if the actual product does as well.
Oh,
that is a very cool colour to see. There's not one that I've seen on a shot of some minted bars like that before. I don't think.
And this is, I've just put my eyes down, so you have to give me a second. This is the product itself.
Modelled after the famous golden ticket, of course.
And so they've done a pretty darn good job. Not that you'd expect Pamp to do anything else, but that looks fantastic.
I do like that.
The only thing I'd like to see is a bigger bar so you can get the detail in there, because the detail they've actually hidden into that 5 gram bar, the swirls and whatever else you want to call them, is brilliant.
I'll get some close-ups of it and hopefully we can get a bit of a closer look.
Yeah, with the top hat on the Wonka word, and then over the page. Even here, look, they've stuck the top hats in. That's fantastic.
No, they've done a very good job there. Very, very well styled. Also, the serial number on there. There is 3,000 of these worldwide.
And I noticed that they've sold out overseas.
Okay, there you go.
I don't know if it's everywhere overseas, but I noticed the main websites the other day when I was looking for them had all announced them as sellouts. So, look, absolutely, it's gimmicky. Absolutely it is, but you've got to have some fun with your stack. Yes, they're going to be dearer than buying a 5 gram, probably a normal 5 gram Pamp, although I haven't checked the price on that. But they'll absolutely be dearer than buying a 5 gram Perth Mint. So if you need a 5 gram for stacking and you just want bang for your buck, this probably isn't the one. But if you want something that's got a bit of cool to it, a bit, like, it's all well and good to say I'm getting best bang for the buck and I'm just stacking as much as I can, but you've got to have interest in there as well. And this is the kind of doesn't even have to be this. These are the kind of things that just add that twist to it. So it gives you a warm, fuzzy feeling when you look at your stack.
Well, that's it. The Perth ones are lovely, but they aren't a limited vintage. They aren't licensed. They aren't potentially filled with nostalgia or whatever from acting out in a play a couple of years ago.
A couple of years ago.
I was being generous for you.
Try 40 years ago.
But yeah, so it just bit of flavour to the stack.
It is. And look, like I said, it is dearer. Don't go in expecting to pay a buyback price or anything like that. These are a premium end product because they're Pamp anyway.
Yeah.
And then they've got the trademarks and all that sort of stuff that they have to pay for to produce these in the first place. But they're not horrendously expensive either. Great presents for Christmas. Just a good all-round thing.
But, a little bit different to the movie in as far as you can buy it and know you'll get a golden ticket.
Yeah, that's right.
So, it's got that going for it. I'm sure the movie would have played out very differently if they knew they were going to get a golden ticket.
That's it.
But yeah, very cool indeed.
It is. This is a one-hit wonder for us. This is the only delivery of these that we will get. And like I said, they are sold out overseas on the few sites that I checked out already. So grab them while you can. They will go, they won't sell out overnight, but they will go quickly.
Good stuff. All right, thank you very much, Michael. We will see you in the next video.
Sounds good. See ya.